will be a speed test between the ASUS ROG phone versus the POCOPHONE F1. Now they both have the Snapdragon 845. POCOPHONE F1, this one is the 6 gigs of RAM variant. The ROG phone has 8 gigs of RAM. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. Ooh, gotta give the boot up win to the POCOPHONE F1. Not bad for a budget phone. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all caches have been cleared. And we do have X mode turned on. The ROG phone, as you can see. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. You guys are the judges. Messages. Very close. I think that one was a tie actually. Camera. Ooh, I don't know. Clock on both. Go ahead and start the stopwatch. Leave that running in the background. Chrome. Nice and fast. Search for GSM Arena. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Very similar performance on both. Scroll to the bottom and go to the desktop version. And again, very similar performance. Pinch to zoom. Nice and fast on the F1. Do the same thing on the ROG phone. Nice and buttery smooth due to its 90 Hz display. Leave it on this page. Calculator. Nice and fast. Play Store. Very fast. Maybe actually the F1 on that one. Slow down the video for me. Go to this app and leave it there. Amazon. Nice and fast. Click on the deal of the day. eBay. Ooh, maybe the F1 on that. Click on this vacuum. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And give this to the ROG. Tap to begin. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Spirit's Cove. Ooh, this might be a draw. Let's find out. And, ooh, so close. ROG phone by literally a split second. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. ROG's ahead. Will the F1 catch it? No, it does not. And give this to the ROG phone. Asphalt 9. Ooh, so close. And give this to the ROG. Tap the play button. PUBG. ROG phone out in front. Will the F1 catch up? Kinda doubt it, but you never know. And give this to the ROG. As you can see, there you go. F1 finally catching up a little bit. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, both are neck and neck right now, so you can see. Ooh, maybe the ROG phone ahead by a tad. And give this to the ASUS. Twitter, ROG, Instagram, very close. Snapchat. Ooh, maybe the F1 on that one. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. Now, on a side note, I gotta say that I do like how this looks on the F1. The multitasking screen here, pretty cool. Instagram, good to go. Twitter, very nice. Grand Theft Auto, ready to play. PUBG, ready to play on both phones. Asphalt 9, good to go on both phones. Angry Birds 2, a little bit faster on the ROG on that one. Temple Run 2, paused and ready to resume. Mario Run, Mario time, that's for sure. eBay, a little bit faster on the ROG. Amazon, a little bit of a lag here on the F1. Play Store, same place. Calculator, Chrome, same place on both. Clock, both still running the stopwatch. The camera, good to go. Messages, a little bit faster on the F1 I think. And the phone app, faster on the ROG. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this interesting matchup. The POCOPHONE F1, given the price of this handset, the bang for buck on this phone is very high. Snapdragon 845, 6 or 8 GB of RAM options. The performance on this phone is very nice. I like this phone. Or do you have yourself the ROG phone? Love the design, I love the front-firing speakers, I love the super smooth 90Hz OLED display, I like the RGB logo in the back, which if you have X mode turned on, switches colors, etc. And just the design back here overall, it's pretty nice. I dig it. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.